Through Hilti Fleet Management, we help you manage your tool park so you can manage your business. An on-site analysis helps tailor the optimal tool park for your business, so you have the right tools when and where you need them. Throughout our partnership, you enjoy fast and free repairs, theft coverage for stolen tools, tools on demand for your short to medium term needs, and when your tools and batteries reach the end of their contract, you can choose to extend the contract or exchange them for our latest generation, all for a fixed monthly fee with no hidden charges. But what happens after the end of your fleet management contract? At Hilti, we collect over 1.3 million tools and batteries each year, both Hilti and other brands. You can bring them to your preferred Hilti store or initiate a pickup via our website or customer service. When tools are returned, we assess what can be reused and what can be recycled. Tools in good condition can be refurbished for short-term use. We also donate tools to humanitarian or educational causes. If a tool cannot be reused, we can extract spare parts, which are individually checked for quality before being used in our professional repair process. When all uses are exhausted, anything that cannot be reused is recycled. We work with a global network of local recycling centres to keep transport distances short. All tools are processed on arrival at the recycling plant. After initial inspection, they're shredded and sorted by material, such as plastic, copper, steel and aluminium. Efficient reuse and recycling is something we take very seriously at Hilti. Our ambition is to reduce, reuse and recycle as much as possible, to lead the industry in circularity. By partnering with Hilti, you help build a better future.